I'm now living in the hood, which I'm going to show you guys my house. You guys a tour. Yeah.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any.
I always read this first. Like I was telling my sister, I read this to feed my spirit, and then I go to this one next that she gave me. My sister gave me these books. I read this one next to feed my flesh in a positive way. Okay, so anyways, I want to read this one to you because it was so good that I thought I had to share it. Today is actually March 5th, obviously, and it says, make friends with the problems in your life. Though many things feel random and wrong, remember that I am sovereign over everything. I can fit everything into a pattern for good, but only to the extent that you trust me. Every problem can teach you something, transforming you little by little into the masterpiece I created you to be. The very same problem can become a stumbling block over which you fall if you react with distrust and defiance. The choice is up to you, and you will have to choose many times each day whether to trust me or defy me. The best way to befriend your problems is to thank me for them. The simple act opens your mind to the possibility of benefits flowing from your difficulties. You can even give persistent problems nicknames, helping you to approach them with familiarity rather than with dread. The next step is to introduce them to me, enabling me to embrace them in my loving presence. I will not necessarily remove your problems, but my wisdom is sufficient to bring good out of every one of them. Wow, that was good, wasn't it? Good morning, guys. Can y'all hear that? It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. Not my business. Not my business. Welcome to my channel. Hold on, my baby is tugging and crying at me, so guess I need to get her. Welcome to my channel, you guys. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, you like. It's gonna get real in this video. Like if this is your first time watching this video or watching me, I'm pretty sure you're gonna want to subscribe because today I have allowed God has been speaking to me and telling me to stop trying to hide. Stop trying to hide. You know, I even had made a podcast. I only made one episode though because I've been having issues and technical difficulties. But I made an episode and I was talking about how, you have to let God circumcise your circumstance and how, it doesn't matter what you have in the moment. It doesn't matter what you have in the moment or time being. God, and it's so crazy because I'm literally watching a sermon right now by Keon Henderson, and he's kind of talking about the same thing, which I already kind of knew that I was going to make a video today and show you guys this. I've been planning on it for a couple days. I just had to kind of prepare myself for it because I'm like, am I really gonna do this? And I really still don't know if I'm gonna do this. But if y'all see this video, then I did it. So yay me. But he's talking about how God can do a little with a lot. Now, if you can see already, some of you who are watching, or whenever you do watch this, I mean, if you're watching it later, then you might not see. But I got to screenshot it because I have been doing YouTube for a few years now, on and off. And like when I get off of it. And I've even deleted my old videos. I have some videos that's in the thousands. I have some that's just stuck in the hundreds. And I have some that's stuck in 2-digit numbers, my old videos. Um, this year, starting off my fitness channel, which I want to be authentic and real to myself. I don't want this to just be an all fitness channel because I've never tried to be just an all one thing, and I thought that that's what I had to do. But as I've been praying about this channel and like trying to figure out what my desires is and what God would want, girl, can I talk? You cannot get the camera. Um, he's like, well, you can't do what you want to do because you're afraid to show what you don't want to show, which is where you live, how you live. Now, don't get me wrong. it's not like it's a secret of where I live to my family and friends, but it's just like, the judgment that comes with stuff and people assuming and this and that. And it's just like, girl, so what? Because how can you preach and talk about, hold on, I'm just like, how can I preach and talk about, you know, don't allow your circumstance to be the reason why you don't do something or this and that and third. And I'm like, how can I practice what I preach? How can I say this and mean it and be the same type of person who is trying to hide and cover up and make sure people don't automatically know exactly where I live or whatever or how I'm living, know that I'm not or oops and know that I'm not in a luxury apartment or whatnot. So I just had to sit with myself and I had to sit with God and I had to talk to God and I had to figure this thing out because I'm like, you know what? I don't want to just be an all fitness channel. That's just too, eventually I'm going to be able to incorporate that in my videos, but I don't want to have to cook every video about fitness food and this, and I don't want to have to work out in every video. Of course, that will be in there, but I want to be a lifestyle fitness video. I mean, fitness channel. Okay. Um, so I want to do Sunday resets. I want to do what the girls are doing. To be honest, if I'm keeping it real, because I've always enjoyed vlogging, and it's a part of me that desires to be a vlogger. And being that I'm now living in the hood, which I'm gonna show you guys my house, you guys a tour. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. So being that I live in the hood, and I lived here 5 years ago before they remodeled this place. And let me just say, when I lived here 5 years ago, I was on YouTube, or 6 years ago actually. I was doing YouTube, and I was living in a house with roaches. Well, an apartment with roaches. Y'all didn't know that. Well, most people didn't know that. Strangers didn't know that. But thank God, when they remodeled, baby, I promise you, ain't no funny business going on in here. Ain't no creepy crawlers crawling around here. I can't speak for everybody else, but baby, you finna get the tour. So I'm just grateful and thankful for that. And that's no shade to anybody who is dealing with them or have them or whatever, because like I said, 6 years ago I was dealing with a whole bunch of them. So I am not here to judge, okay? That's neither here nor there. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I'm not gonna show you guys my kids' room. Hey, can I talk? I'm not gonna show you guys my kids' room because I just feel like I want to keep that private for them, because I'm not even gonna really have them too much on the camera anyways and stuff like that. So with that said, let's get into this quick little apartment tour. It's gonna be real quick because yeah. But I just have to get this out the way. I hate the walls. If it wasn't for these gel cell walls, I would be okay. But I hate the walls. But y'all finna see if you ain't already seen a little bit. And yeah, so hope you guys like this video. I know I'm talking. I just got off my Daniel fast and I weighed in at 155 once I finished my Daniel fast. And what I usually do when I go like on a deep fast like that or a detox like that, I end it on the weekend, so that way the weekend I can drink, I can eat what I want to eat, and then pushing back until Monday, I get back on schedule. So today is Tuesday. So I kind of got back on schedule yesterday. I kind of ate a little late last night, a little late night snack. But today we are back on schedule. I'm still in the gym. I just only can go as much as I can go. Like, gonna go walking. I might even work out at home because now I am now into pushing into a lean bulk. So now I have to eat a little bit more, but work out more as well. So, or be active more. So yeah, so let's get into what y'all want to see, nosies. First things first, you in the hood when this is present on your wall. Like, could they have put it somewhere nicer? Anyways, this, and as y'all can see, I put this back, as y'all know, y'all seen it in my videos. I literally put this backsplash up myself because that was my way of trying to hide where I stay at. Like, I was like, ooh, if they see this, then they're gonna know where I stay at, or they're gonna know that I'm in the hood. So yeah, I like the cabinets. They like I said, they remodeled these, so I love the cabinets and stuff like that. But other than that, and y'all see my kitchen though, and this is the fridge. Don't mind my Christmas tree, y'all. My mom's supposed to be wrapping it up, and she has not yet. So because I'm bad with stuff like that, and this is just my little table where we sometimes eat at. Well, the kids, not me. I don't ever eat here. But yeah, that's that. So now you can kind of see into my room. My kids' room is on the opposite side. These are just closets and storage space and stuff like that. This is my room. Don't That's just diapers and wipes under the bed and my water bottles on the side. And yeah, I gotta get some more pillows for my bed. Like, I don't know. I want to do something. Now, y'all tell me in the comments, please. I know this chair is like, what is that there for? I got this rug, and I literally only got this rug for my youngest child because she's now crawling. But um, what are they talking about? Medicine scent. Okay, hold on. But this chair right here was out here. It was somewhere else. But I wanted to make this like my little prayer corner. So you see I have the Bible, some books, all that. I'm also gonna get something for the wall probably. And I want to get like something else to go behind the chair or something. I was going to get a gray prayer blanket to kind of like hover over the chair because it doesn't match to me. But then part of me is like, it's a little staple piece. Like it kind of it's not that it kind of goes. It's just kind of like how how you wear like red and black, and then you might throw on like a cheetah purse. I feel like it's kind of doing that for the room, except for my room's not red and black, obviously. But I don't know. Y'all tell me. Y'all tell me what it's giving. Is it giving tacky, and I need to put something on it, or you can be honest, or is it giving like, girl, it's okay. Just bring out a little bit more brown or gold in your room or something. Like, let me know, because I'm not the type of person who is that great at decorating. So yeah. Bathroom, I already showed you guys. But this is my living room, guys. Don't mind that little TV. It actually was given to us for free. And um yeah, I just took it because my kids wanted it in here. I barely even let my kids be in my living room. I'm like, my mother raised me to basically not play in her living room. She didn't have a TV in her living room for the longest. And I've been the same way because she was like, I don't need people getting comfortable in my living room. And I kind of grew up feeling the same way, which don't get me wrong. When I had my stepson here, my two, well, not my baby, but my youngest, they do play in here, and it does get a little messy. But when he not here, this living room be off limits, baby. I don't even be having to clean up in here. I just sweep and mop the floors. That's it. But yep. But yeah, guys, that is that is the little tour. I know I was doing a lot of talking. I'm sorry, but yeah. So it's over with and done with. So hopefully I can upload this video, and now I can actually do the content that I want to do without worrying about trying to hide certain spots in certain places. Okay, y'all. So I just got done eating my lunch, as you seen, and as you can see, I eat a little bit more now. But now I have to work that out. So I'm gonna let this settle and calm down in my stomach in about 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna try to work out if my baby let me. She was supposed to be going to sleep. I don't know what happened. It's her nap time, so I'm trying to wait on that, but we gonna see. I had to take my mom to the hospital and stuff. Still gotta go pick up her medicine. So walking is out of the plans for today. But yeah, I'll check back in with y'all when I get ready to work out.
Pull-ups, legs, squats and lunges, etc. The usual sort of curtsy lunges thrown in there. Then we've got upper body, lots of push-ups as normal, and then we're on to core.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. But I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you.
I just want you, don't be that late. I just think you're no bitch, boosted my self-esteem. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah. Bitch, back to my legs.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, ain't it been relaxing, you ain't even did your taxes. We went triple platinum, don't wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out that bottom buddy made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, want me to my